Today I am going to embroider this simple design using stem stitch and buttonhole stitch. For the leaves I am going to use two different shades of green, one for these lines in the middle and the other green for these portions. Stem stitch, a simple stitch all of you know. The thread should be on your left hand side and take very small stitches, otherwise it does not look good. Take small stitches. A simple stitch. After completing these lines using this shade of green, I have taken another shade of green and I am going to use stem stitch, the same stitch for the rest of the leaf. Again the same stitch. The thread should be on the left hand side. Take small stitches and I am going to fill up these empty spaces using this green. That means I have to do more than one line of stem stitch for each division. I'll do this flower now. I've already done this too. Very simple. You start from here. I've started from the center, go down, then come up once again from where you had started. Can put the needle down, then come up from here. Don't pull the thread too much. Take these two stitches together and we are going to do simple buttonhole stitch, taking these two stitches only, not the cloth, only these two stitches. Very simple way to do, and it gives a nice 3D effect. I have chosen white. You can choose any other color. When you come to the end of it, just put the needle down. Again, you come up from here, just from where you had started the first one. Again, over here. The same thing, again take these 2 stitches and do the buttonhole stitch. The same way you will do this one. Don't pull the thread too much. That is all. Again put the needle down and this side also take 2 more stitches like this and do the same thing. This way I am going to complete the flowers. After completing the flowers, I will do these stems using stem stitch. Take small stitches, keep the thread on the left hand side, that's all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe.